In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Monday.com groups. By the end, you'll know how to tidy up your board, make sections easier to scan with color, and quickly add a new group so your work stays organized and clear. Start by opening the board you want to organize. Once the board loads, look for the groups along the left side of your item list. Each group is essentially a container for related items, like tasks in a phase or tickets in a category. Keeping these clean and intentional makes a huge difference in how fast your team can find and update information. To reduce visual noise, collapse a group you're not actively working on. Click the collapse option in the group header to tuck all of its items away. You're not deleting anything, you're simply minimizing it so you can focus on what matters now. Collapsing is especially helpful when you have multiple groups and only need to see one or two at a time. If you're presenting updates, collapsing older phases can also make progress status much clearer for your audience. Next, open the Groups menu by clicking the three dots on the right side of the group header. This menu gives you quick controls for that group. From here, choose Change Group Color. Color is a powerful way to add meaning at a glance, whether you're marking status, priority, or category. When the color picker appears, select a color that matches your system. A simple, consistent scheme works best. For example, use bold, high-contrast colors for active work, calmer tones for backlog or reference, and a distinct color for completed sections. The goal is to make it obvious, even from a zoomed-out view, which group is which. Keep accessibility in mind. Choose colors that maintain legibility with your board's background and item text. Finally, add a new group to support your structure. Click Add New Group and give it a clear, action-oriented name so teammates instantly understand what belongs there. Think in terms of phases, regions, clients, or work types, whatever aligns with how your team manages progress. Place items into the new group as needed, and keep non-essential groups collapsed so the board remains focused. With your board opened, groups collapsed for clarity, colors applied for quick recognition, and a new group added for structure, your Monday.com workspace becomes faster, cleaner, and easier for everyone to use. Keep the color logic consistent across boards, collapse what you don't need to see, and use concise group names.